Are you looking? Home cooking continues to grow in popularity? So does the need for efficient kitchen cleanup solutions, particularly garbage disposals. A reliable garbage disposal can eliminate food waste quickly and hygienically, making your kitchen cleaner and more eco-friendly. In this guide, we review the top garbage disposals based on motor power, noise level, build quality, ease of installation, and overall value. Whether you're upgrading or buying new, here are the best picks available today. List number: InSinkErator Badger 5 Garbage Disposal with Power Cord. A trusted choice for decades, the InSinkErator Badger 5 with Power Cord is a go-to model for households seeking reliable performance without frills. Powered by a half-pound DuraDrive induction motor, it delivers dependable grinding for typical food waste. The compact, space-saving design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or tight cabinet areas. It includes a power cord, convenient for DIY installations, and uses galvanized steel components for decent durability. While it's not the quietest on the market, the performance and price make it a popular entry-level choice. Installation is straightforward thanks to the quick lock sink mount, compatible with most existing setups. For basic daily use without the need for premium features, the Badger 5 hits the sweet spot between functionality and affordability. List number: Waste King 1/2 HP Garbage Disposal with Power Cord for Kitchen Sink Food Waste, L1001. The Waste King L1001 offers exceptional value in the budget category, especially for light to moderate kitchen use. Its 1/2 HP motor operates at 2,600 RPM, giving it a slight edge in speed over other disposals in the same horsepower range. The high-speed, permanent magnet motor helps reduce jamming and runs more quietly than you'd expect. This model also includes a pre-installed power cord, which simplifies the setup process. Its compact and lightweight design fits snugly under most sinks, while the corrosion-resistant grinding components ensure long-term performance. The L1001 features an easy mount system, making installation a breeze. If you're seeking a quiet, affordable, and effective disposal for everyday scraps, the Waste King L1001 is a smart pick that punches above its price. List number: InSinkErator Badger 5 Garbage Disposal Standard Series 1/2 HP Continuous Feed Food Waste Dispose. The InSinkErator Badger 5 Standard Series is the base model of the Badger line and remains one of the most widely installed disposals in American homes. With a 1/2 HP motor and continuous feed operation, it handles standard food waste efficiently, though it's best not to overload it with tougher materials like bones or fibrous veggies. Built with galvanized steel components, it offers reasonable durability for the price, though stainless steel models tend to last longer. This version does not come with a power cord, so you'll need to purchase one separately if you're doing the install yourself. Like other InSinkErator models, it features the convenient quick lock mount for simple installation or replacement. For homeowners on a tight budget or replacing an older unit, the Badger 5 Standard Series offers proven reliability and easy installation at an affordable price. List number: Waste King 1 HP Garbage Disposal with Power Cord. Food Waste Disposer for Kitchen Sink, L8000. The Waste King L8000 stands out in its class for combining raw power with user-friendly features. Equipped with a 1 HP motor that spins at 2,800 RPM, this unit can grind even the toughest food waste, including small bones and fibrous veggies, with minimal effort. Its stainless steel grinding components offer long-lasting durability, while sound insulation ensures surprisingly quiet operation for such a powerful unit. The included power cord and easy mount system make installation quick and painless. It also comes with a lifetime limited mechanical warranty and a 5-year in-home service warranty, unmatched in its category. If your kitchen sees a lot of cooking activity, or you're simply looking for top-tier performance, the Waste King L8000 delivers power, speed, and peace of mind in one impressive package. List 9. InSinkErator Power 1 HP Garbage Disposal Power Series EZ Connect Continuous Feed Food Waste Disposer. Black. The InSinkErator Power 1 HP garbage disposal brings high performance and modern design to your kitchen with its premium features. This 1 HP disposal is part of the brand's Power series and is ideal for busy households or cooking enthusiasts who demand fast, efficient cleanup. The motor handles difficult food waste with ease, and its continuous feed system means you don't need to stop mid-clean to add scraps. With sound insulation technology, it operates quieter than many high-powered disposals. The Easy Connect system allows for a smooth, tool-free installation, and the included power cord is a nice touch for DIY users. Its sleek black finish gives it a stylish edge, perfect for updated kitchens. Overall, it balances performance, aesthetics, and convenience, making it a top choice for homeowners looking to upgrade to a premium food waste solution.